In this video, we will cover the integration between QuoteWerks and Salesforce.com. We've created separate demonstration videos for our other third-party CRM integrations, which are also available on our website. Let's start by creating a new quote and then selecting the customer. With QuoteWerks, there is no need to retype customer information that already exists in Salesforce.com. In QuoteWerks, click on the Sold To, Shipped To tab of the Quote Workbook and click on the magnifying glass button. This will open the Salesforce.com contact lookup window where you can search for a contact. You can search for the contact by account name, last name, or phone number. Once you've found the desired contact, simply choose the Select for Sold To, Select for Shipped To, or Select for Bill To buttons to populate the corresponding fields in QuoteWerks, and you can see that the customer's contact information is pulled into the quote. QuoteWerks can also retrieve information stored in additional fields in Salesforce.com by using the QuoteWerks Data Link feature. This feature enables you to pull additional information from a contact record directly into the quote. To create a data link, first verify your contact in Salesforce.com has the additional data that you'd like to pull over. For this example, we want to pull the industry field from the account into the profile field located underneath the Sold To fields on the Sold To Shipped To tab. To create the data link, select the Contacts, Setup Contact Manager menu. Click on the Data Link Setup button, which opens the Data Link Setup window. Click the New button, and then click the drop-down menu for the Contact Manager field. The available fields that you see here are from Salesforce.com. For this demonstration, we'll go ahead and choose the Account Industry field from this list. Now from the QuoteWerks drop-down list, we will choose the Sold To Price Profile field, which corresponds to the Price Profile drop-down list underneath the Sold To fields. Note that the direction is grayed out as this cannot be changed. The same is true of the event trigger. OnRetrieve Contact means that the data link is activated when you retrieve contact information for the Sold To contact. Click OK on each of these screens to return to the quote worksheet. Note that the Price Profile field is currently blank. I'll press the windshield wiper button to clear the contact information from the Sold To fields. Press the magnifying glass button to retrieve the same contact into the Sold To field. Notice that the data from the Salesforce.com industry field has been inserted into the Price Profile field. As you can see, the Data Link Setup window allows you to specify which additional fields from Salesforce.com you want to pull into QuoteWerks. Once you've established the links, the values from these fields will be pulled into the quote when the contact record is retrieved. Now that we have the contact information pulled over, let's select some products. In addition to storing your products in QuoteWerks native databases, the professional and corporate editions of QuoteWerks allow you to link to external product sources, which means you have the ability to link directly to the products that you store on Salesforce.com. For this demo, we've already set up the link to the product list. To access it, select the Products, Lookup menu. We've named the product source Salesforce.com, although you can name it whatever you like. Select it here on the left, and on the right you'll see all of the products available for selection. Once you've added your products into the quote, we can now save the quote. Here you can choose from two integration options. You can create or update a linked document. Selecting this option will create a note record for the contact and will attach a linked document as an attachment under the Notes and Attachments heading in Salesforce.com. You also have the ability to create or update sales opportunities. Selecting this option will create or update a Salesforce.com opportunity under the Opportunities heading for the account. In this window, we see the options available to us when creating or updating an opportunity. We can adjust the closing date, the stage the opportunity is currently at, such as proposal, price quote, and the probability that this quote will turn into a sale. We can now switch to Salesforce.com to see the linked document and opportunity that was created. Under the Notes and Attachments heading, you'll see each quote that was created for this contact. This linked document is very useful. When your customer calls back in reference to your quote, you or anyone in the office can easily look up the account or contact record and click View and choose Open to launch QuoteWerks and view the selected quote. Here under the Opportunities heading, we can see the opportunity that was created by QuoteWerks. Within the opportunity, we can see the values we entered earlier, such as the stage and the probability. By creating sales opportunities in Salesforce.com, you can generate reports in Salesforce.com that give you insight into your sales pipeline. If you already have a sales opportunity for this quote, it will automatically update the existing one to reflect changes that you've made. In addition to the opportunity functionality available when saving a quote, when converting a quote to an order or invoice, QuoteWerks will also update the opportunity as closed won in Salesforce.com. You can also add fields from Salesforce.com into your layouts. In QuoteWerks, select the File, Print menu, select one of your layouts and click the Edit button. At the top left, select the Insert Data Field menu. Choose Contact Manager for the table. Then, under the Fields drop-down, you'll see all of the Salesforce.com fields you have available to choose from. We'll select the Industry field like we did earlier with the data link. Click OK. Then add the field to the layout. Save and close, and we'll click the Preview button to test it. Here you can see the value from the Industry field has been included. As you've seen, information flows seamlessly between QuoteWerks and Salesforce.com. This seamless integration will increase your productivity so you can spend more time selling and less time creating price quotes.